Welcome to DJ
Unto the plenty strong evidence before tribunal, Baba T fit be the first president to comot for office.
Correct people, we greet you now. Welcome now to this our channel DJ TV, where ogbonge story and update dey happen o. My people, if una never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una no waste time again o. Make una rush now, make una go subscribe o, and also turn on that notification bell so that anytime we drop any update like this, una go dey notified gbagam. And our Facebook page, make una follow us and make una like. My people, make we quickly run enter the story and update wey we carry come for una this time around. Make una watch.
My people, the ongoing presidential election tribunal don receive boku evidence against Baba T, INEC and APC from the opposition dem o. And if court carry out electoral justice accordingly, President Tinubu fit be the first presido wey dem go comot from power o. Anyway, make I leave una to watch this analysis from these lawyers dem. Make una watch.
The gravity of the infractions and mishaps that took place during the 25th February 2023 presidential elections, how many people were not allowed to vote, how people were restricted, the violence that took place, the general infractions that made the election not to be generally credible at all. From any prison, you look at it, they made it clear. If one of them believes squarely that Tinubu did not win the election, and he makes no words about that, he believes he did not win. Some of them said he didn't score the required 25% of the votes cast in FCT. And when they asked him, is it your opinion? He says, no, it's not my opinion. It is the law. They should have got 25% of FCT to be declared president. So generally, the thrust of our case today was that the INEC was hasty and wrong in declaring Tinubu the winner of the elections, because every evidence shows that he did not win.
More details on the ongoing petition of the PDP and its presidential candidate, Atiku Abubakar, at the 2023 Presidential Election Petition Court, PEPC, Appeal Court, Abuja. The People's Democratic Party, PDP, and its presidential candidate, His Excellency Atiku Abubakar, on Friday, 23rd of June, 2023, closed its case after calling 27 witnesses in total and submitting truckloads of documents to establish that Atiku Abubakar defeated Bola Ahmed Tinubu of the APC in the February 25, 2023 presidential election. The PDP also contends that, considering the cancelled polling units, the elections should have been declared inconclusive and supplementary elections rerun scheduled by INEC. PDP and Atiku also produced documents and witnesses that give evidence to show that INEC compromised its own election by failing to transmit results in real time, as INEC chairman Mahmoud Yakubu promised Nigerians after collecting over 200 billion naira for the same purpose.
Well, you see, today we called our star witness who gave very robust evidence. And you see, in the course of his evidence, he also tendered those video clips, very important video clips, showing the INEC chairman making the commitment to Nigerians for that real-time transmission of the results by the BVAS machine to the IRF. And you see, with that established, we are very, very happy with what has happened today. And he also tendered even screenshots from the IRF. You saw the documents tendered. You know the bro.
INEC, APC and Bola Tinubu objected to all the documents tendered, including the ones sourced directly from INEC itself as certified true copies, CTC, but reserved their reasons for objection until later. INEC lawyers opposing the certified true copies of INEC documents tendered is a major red flag, confirming that the Independent Electoral Commission compromised the conduct of the February 25 presidential election as against the senatorial and House of Representatives election conducted on the same day. But despite their objections, all the documents were accepted by the Presidential Election Petition Court as evidence.
We have already tendered our documents as the petitioners.
PDP and Atiku's team of lawyers, led by Chief Chris Uche SAN, added to the burden of the respondents' lawyers by tendering key documents that showed that the presumed winner of the February 25, 2023 election, the APC presidential candidate Bola Tinubu, was not qualified to run for office ab initio. The documents sourced from INEC are submitted by Bola Tinubu with his INEC forms EC13A and EC9 are 1. APC party membership card in the name of Bola Ahmed Tinubu. 2. Certificate of service from Mobil Oil. 3. NYSC certificate of exemption belonging to one Tinubu Bola Adekunle upon graduation in 1979, at which time the NYSC exemption was not yet in effect. 4. Certificate from Chicago State University. Further documents tendered through the PDP Atiku's witness, Mike Enahoro Eba, to challenge the INEC certified documents were CTCs of documents forwarded by a notary public in Chicago, USA through a subpoena. 1. An original letter issued by the Chicago State University to the Witnesses Council in the USA, a colleague and friend who offered to help Nigerians in the matter pro bono. 2. Undergraduate form filled at the time of entrance into the Chicago State University showing a different name other than Bola Ahmed Tinubu. 3. Transcript from the Southwest College, all documents showing that the graduate was female. 4. A Guinean international passport in the name of Bola Ahmed Tinubu. And 5. CTC of the judgment on the drug trafficking case in Chicago leading to a forfeiture of $460,000 by Bola Ahmed Tinubu. By introducing this dimension to the petition, Chief Chris Uche SAN and the team of lawyers with him have put the onus on Bola Tinubu's lawyers to explain the various names their client bears, why he was at one time a female, the drug trafficking forfeiture matter, and his Guinean citizenship. The Nigerian judiciary is now clearly on trial with the introduction of these documents. Again, if electoral justice is upheld, Bola Tinubu could become the first ever president of Nigeria to be removed from office.
We fielded our last witness today, who, as you can see, tendered very critical documents pertaining to the qualifications of the second respondent, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the academic qualifications, including the NYSC certificate, and then the conviction, the criminal forfeiture judgment from the US, as well as the Guinean passport. So all these documents were admitted by the court, and we were able to round off our case on that note, having called 27 witnesses. So, and as the law permits us, and also in accordance with the pre-hearing report, we have eventually closed the calling of evidence by the petitioner. So the next stage now is for the respondents. If they have any defense, they will bring forward their own witnesses, and it will now be our turn to cross-examine those witnesses. If we have documents to challenge them with, we will do so. When they finish calling their witnesses, they too will close their case formally, and then the parties will now address the court on issues of law. That's why you see most of the times questions are asked, we say these are matters for address, because there are legal issues that at the end of the day will address the honorable court on. So we are very happy that this second stage will finish with the pre-hearing. Now we have concluded with the presentation of the petitioner's case, and we are very happy reviewing entirely what has been presented before the court. So we will now wait to hear from the respondent, and when they finish, we all leave everything in the hands of the court.
Yes, so my people, and the updates wey we carry come for na like this be this, so about this ongoing tribunal gbege so between INEC, APC, Labour Party, PDP and the update be that una here to analyse the whole matter. Anyway, make una drop una comment and read this whole matter, and make una no forget to like and share. Una do well. See you all in our next video. DJ